Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise and thank you so much for being here. As you can tell by the title, today we are going to be playing around with the Desi and Katy collection, which this is their second collection with Dose of Colors, and I didn't get a chance to pick up anything from the first collection, so I was super excited to get my hands on this collection. I'm really excited for you guys to see how the products work because honestly the products are amazing. Spoiler alert, I know, but which I knew right off the bat this collection was not going to be a disappointment. I mean, it's Desi and Katy. Hello. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and how the products performed, then let's just go ahead and get right on into it. Alright, so jumping right on into it, I already have my face makeup on. So I'm going to jump right into the eyeshadow palette. And this is the Friendcation palette. And this is the packaging. And I'm so excited. I didn't get a chance to pick up anything from the first collection, so I'm super excited to be getting my hands on this. And this is stunning. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This palette is so beautiful. Just show you. Oh. So I will include some swatches on my arm, but I won't make it too in depth just because I know there's a lot of videos out there already, swatches and stuff like that. So I'm just excited to put it on my eyes. So to start, I think I'm just gonna take the Transition, which is Necessary, which is this middle shade right here. And I'm gonna take it on a Morphe M504 and just use this as my transition. I think the packaging on this is like my favorite packaging ever. I don't think I've ever loved packaging more. Honestly, this color is so pretty just like on its own. If you wanted to use just like one shade, I wanted a more simple look, you could definitely just go in with Necessary and be done. Actually, Necessary and then the first shade, which is this really pretty like pink basic shade. This one, you can just put that all over the lid and that'd be a really pretty look. And I don't know what color scheme I'm going for just yet. I kind of want to go in with this with Gold Digger, which is the like not Gold Digger. Did I say Gold Digger? Did I say Gold Digger? I meant Dirty Money. That's what's calling my name. So I'm just gonna go in with our second shade, which I believe is called Churro. Yeah. Which is Churro, which is the one right below the green shade. And I'm just gonna use that to deepen up my crease. I feel like I haven't been excited about a collab in such a long time. Like, I do get excited for other collabs. Whenever I heard about this collab, I was so excited, mainly because I love Desi and Katy. They are honestly friendship goals. I always tell my friend Allie that I'm Katy and she's Desi. And I think they killed it with this collab. This collab is amazing. And if you are wondering, this palette does retail for $55, which is honestly kind of pricey. But Dose of Colors is a more like high-end brand. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with Dirty Money on this Alamar Cosmetics brush. It's like a flat shader brush. I might have to go with my finger, but let me try it with a brush first. Wow. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I didn't want to cut the crease for this look just because I feel like I always cut the crease. And I wanted a more like effortless look. Alright, so that's what the eyes are looking like so far. I think it looks stunning. I think it looks so good. I'm going to go in with a darker brown in this palette, which is Cheens. Cheens right there. And since I have you guys zoomed in, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line. I'm just gonna start with Basic. And I'm gonna take this a little bit farther than I usually do because I really want to smoke this look out. And then right on top of that, I'm just gonna take I'm gonna take Churro. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some falsies and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back and I just put on some falsies and then I did put a black eyeliner in my waterline. I wanted to use a brown eyeliner because I think a brown eyeliner would have looked really good with this look, but I don't have one, so I just did black. So now I'm gonna go in with highlight, and I did pick up one of their highlighters. And I picked up the shade Fuego, which is from the last collab, and this is what it looks like. Beautiful packaging, and then it's a beautiful gold highlighter. You guys see that? There we go. It is beautiful. So I'm just going to use that as my highlight, and I'm also going to pop it in my inner corner and use it as a brow bone highlight. There was another one in this collection which is called Chasing the Sun, I believe, but I think that one would be too dark for my complexion, so I did choose to just go with this one. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna take it down the bridge of my nose and then pop some on my upper lip. And I love using the same highlight that I'm using on my face as my brow highlight and then my inner corner highlight as well. I just feel like it's more cohesive. I don't know. That might just be me, but I don't know. I think just looks really pretty. And I definitely have a highlight mustache. That's what I have. And I'm going to take this highlight like right into that green shade. Got this glowing. It's bomb. Okay, now going into the lippies, I did pick up two of the lipsticks. I picked up Aftermath, and I will swatch that one for you guys. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's beautiful. It's nude with like a gold band. It's so pretty. So this is Aftermath, and I love this color. It wouldn't go with today's look, but this, like, these are my kind of colors for fall. So that is Aftermath. It's like a beautiful brick red shade. And then the other one is, the other one is Hey Girl. It's just a beautiful nude. This one has like more of a pink undertone, which probably won't go with this look either, but we will make it work. So this is Hey Girl, and then this is Aftermath. So I might do like a combination of both. I'm actually gonna do a lip liner today. I usually don't, but I think I have one that kind of matches. So I'm gonna use Burr. And this lip liner probably doesn't go with this look at all because this is more like a mauve color, but that's okay. I just need some kind of lip liner. I'm actually gonna go in with Aftermath, but I'm gonna do like a very light coating of this. And then I'm gonna go in with Hey Girl right on top, just to lighten this color up. So that is what the two lipsticks look like. I did Aftermath first and then Hey Girl right on top just to lighten it up a little because I feel like Aftermath was going to be too dark for this look. And then I did pick up their famous lip gloss, which I'm super excited to try. It's Over the Top, which is the gold one. This is what the packaging on this one looks like. Beautiful. You can see like the gold. Ooh, and I love this applicator. So that is it right there. You guys see that? And then I believe the gloss retails for $17 and the lipsticks retail for $16. I'm pretty sure. I will put the prices down below. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this right over the top. Hence the name. This gloss is beautiful. It's so pretty and it's so comfortable. I don't like glosses. I don't wear a lot of gloss, but I have tried glosses that are just really sticky and they're not fun. So this one is really comfortable to wear. So this is the complete look. The lashes that I have on are the Ardell Dummy Wispies. They're my favorite. And this is the lip. So this brings me to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely love this collection. I'm obsessed with this packaging, and then this palette is my favorite. I think it's such a beautiful palette. A lot of fun like pops of color, and I definitely want to do another look with this. I probably do it on my Instagram, so if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, then check it out. I will leave it down below. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!